My name is Queen Dorothy Amolo, and I am the candidate for Oyam South MP. I'm contesting on independent ticket. Now, the issue that I want to tackle right now is a matter of national concern. For the last, I think, coming to 5 years, Uganda has turned off Facebook, banned Facebook from Uganda. Ugandans have been locked from the world. And every time a Ugandan needs to access Facebook, they have to use a VPN. Majority of VPN softwares do not properly operate in Africa. And most of these softwares need money, must be paid for. Facebook is paying content creators across Africa millions of shillings, millions of dollars on a monthly basis. Facebook is not a social media platform only. Facebook is a money machine. Facebook is a business platform. Ugandans cannot sell their products on Facebook where people gather. Imagine having a gathering and then you want to sell your goods, you can't sell it because the country has restricted Facebook. We do not know what the problem is, but whatever the problem is that led to the banning of Facebook in Uganda, that problem is not bigger than what Ugandans are missing out from having Facebook unrestricted. This is my direct appeal to the President of the Republic of Uganda and also to the people that are concerned. We already don't have jobs. We already don't have a platform to communicate to the world, and we don't want to protest our government. We just want to use Facebook to make money. We want to use Facebook to make connections. I have been in the country for over 2 weeks. Even with the VPN, I'm not able to access Facebook. It takes forever for a video to download. It takes forever for a video to upload. It takes forever for me to communicate on Facebook. I need to put my ideas out there. I cannot communicate effectively. Why must people in government use the fastest and most effective VPN to access Facebook? Because this is hypocrisy of the highest level. I am NRM, and as much as I'm standing on independent ticket, I'm still NRM. I support the president, and I will vote for the president. But some issues need to be talked about. Facebook needs to be unrestricted from this country, because what we are missing out is way too much. The moment you enter Uganda, you can no longer communicate with friends and family on Facebook. Friends and family can no longer see what you're posting. You're not updated. For example, I need to market my companies on Facebook. But the moment you are within the geographical location of Uganda, you literally cannot even access your company page. This is a catastrophe. We gotta set aside whatever conflicts we have with Facebook and then unrestrict Facebook for the Ugandans that want to use it for different purposes. I don't know how to appeal to the president, but Mr. President, this is my appeal directly to your office. Handle the issue of unrestricting Facebook from Uganda, because Ugandans youth need to start making money on Facebook. Look at how many Nigerians are simply having social media content creation as a full-time job. How many Kenyans are doing that? How many South Africans? People are millionaires just because they create content and then post on Facebook, and those who share and like, they make money on a daily basis. People are making $6,000. Some people are making $20,000 a month just by posting their daily lives on Facebook, and we are missing out. Thank you very much.